If you're facing the challenge of a low battery performance or battery not charging problem in your N511-UHF voice amplifier, or for that matter, any other portable voice amplifier, worry not. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through the simple process of replacing the battery, ensuring your amplifier continues to deliver exceptional performance. Please check the battery capacity of the specific model or brand for which you want the battery replaced. Understanding the battery.
The N511-UHF voice amplifier is powered by a 2200 mAh battery. For replacement, we recommend using a lithium-ion battery with a capacity ranging from 1500 to 2000 mAh, equipped with a protection circuit. This ensures not only a compatible power source, but also safeguards your amplifier from potential electrical issues. Recommended battery source. While the recommended replacement battery should be readily available at local electronics repair shops, we understand the convenience of shopping online. You can purchase a suitable lithium-ion battery from trusted online suppliers. As an example, consider exploring the lithium-ion battery we are recommending, the link to which is given in the description below. Choose the wired 1500 mAh option. This particular battery is BIS certified, ensuring a high standard of quality and reliability. Replacement process. Locate a local electronics repair shop. We recommend seeking the expertise of a local electronics repair shop for the battery replacement. Professionals at these establishments possess the necessary skills to ensure a seamless transition. Choose a BIS certified battery. When purchasing the replacement battery online, prioritize BIS certified options. The protection circuit in these batteries enhances safety and longevity. Once you have the replacement battery, take it to the repair shop. They will carefully open the casing of your N511-UHF voice amplifier and remove the exhausted battery. They will gently insert the new lithium-ion battery into the designated compartment, ensuring a snug fit while connecting it through the protection circuit. Secure the casing, making sure that all components are in their proper places. Before using your N511-UHF voice amplifier, charge the new battery fully. This ensures optimal performance and longevity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.